Hi everybody, Ace here. Just wanted to make a quick video to let you know I'm still around. Wanted to also say a quick shout out to Barbie. I bought this necklace from her a little over a month ago, and then recently bought some mystery packages which came with the what I call the Circle of Life pendant and the earrings that go with it, and I think they look really great together, so shout out to Barbie. Thank you so much. I love them. And I'm going to be selling some things, and I already made this video once, but I forgot to push record, so now I'm making it again. But I want to sell a lot of beads. This lot is coming from my collection of jewelry repair and seriously, you had to fall out and hit the dog. Poor baby. If you're wondering, a bunch of beads just fell out of the bag they were in because I forgot to snap it shut. Because, like I said, I just did this video and now I am doing it again for y'all, so please excuse my funny looking face in the viewfinder if it's too close. The first set of beads in this lot is going to be these little white beads. Now these, there are more of them. They're in the bottom of the bucket that I will show you in a minute that has some jewelry whatnots in them. This used to be a necklace. It can be put back together if you're in the mood to do that. This was also a necklace. These are yellow. This has to be repaired, or you can use these beautiful beads for something else. I really like them. They're really pretty. I love that yellow color. Also, we have this shell something. I'm not sure if it was a necklace or a plant holder or what exactly, because it's been a while since I bought it. But here is the shells. They are very pretty shells. You can use them for a number of things. But just know that you're going to want to, if you keep it in what it's in, or the way that it is, you will want to repair this piece here. Because this is just tied in a knot so that it doesn't fall apart. I don't know if you can see that real well, but that's the shells that you will get. Also, I have a bag of, where's it at? Westernettes, little pony beads. They're a copper color. It's a full bag. It's not been opened. There are 32 6 by 9 millimeter beads in that copper color. So that's those. And then I have kind of a hodgepodge of things that I haven't used. These are some red beads. I've used a lot of them for many different projects. I don't know if you can tell in the lighting, but there are some that are darker and some that are lighter. But they all work really well together. So you'll get those also. And this is an entire bag of 4 millimeter rounds. There's 1,000 pieces. These are kind of a teal or green color. So you'll be getting those also. I have a huge bag. I'm not sure if these are wood or metal. These small copper colored beads, but I have an entire bag of them They are all in small little bags in this bag. That will be in that lot as well. And see if I can pull out pink, purple, blue, and I still need green. And let's see if I can find a green. This is what I'm looking at right here. Of course, I grabbed the one that's not green. There's a green one. Okay, that bag there, hopefully you can see it. I'll look at the video later and see if you can, is full of these little beads. These, I have used these to hang off of many different things. As you can see, there's kind of a pinkish red, a purple, a blue, and a green. There's no way I can use all of them, so I'm giving y'all the opportunity to buy the rest. They were all on one necklace, which was way too heavy for me. And you will be receiving this in your lot as well. This is the bag full, which is why I said they were all on one necklace and I could not wear that. So you'll be getting that. And the last but not least of these beads is this little bag of assorted beads. Maybe you can see at the bottom here where my pinky is. It looks a little more shiny. That is because that is a silver detail on that bead that makes it appear as a rose. There's also 2 ceramic beads. There's one right there. And oh, the other one's right next to it. How about that? One right there. So you can see there are 2 ceramic beads in there. I'm going to be asking $7 for this lot of beads. So you get all of, where are you? Right there. All of these beads for $7 plus shipping, which is going to be a $7.50 ship it box. And if that is different, I will let you know. Also, I will be selling this, well, I am selling this lot of different earrings and different chains that need to be repaired, different pieces. These are snap-on earrings from back in the 60s, 70s. These were my mother's. She never got a chance to wear them. She passed away. There's nothing wrong with them. But you will also get those. There's a lot of broken earrings. There's a lot of no-match earrings that you can harvest gems out of, or glass stones, whichever. And there's a lot of pearls or faux pearls in this box as well. So you will get all of this. I will take out like the block and the shower curtain hook and, you know, the little junk stuff, the Barbie shoe that you may or may not have seen. But yeah, so you'll get all of that for $7. And I'm going to put it in a flat rate shipping box for $7.50. If anything changes, I will let you know. If you could let me know your information, send it to Ann Youngie. It would be ANNJUNGE beading828@gmail.com. If you could send me your name and your PayPal information, I will get this out to you as soon as possible. The first one to tell me that they want it will be the person to get it. I will be also selling some lots of jewelry that I bought when I was younger that I didn't wear because plated jewelry does not work well with my skin. My skin tends to eat any kind of plating off of jewelry. That's the best way I can describe it. It takes any plating off jewelry. So if it's a gold-plated piece of sterling, it won't be gold-plated by the time I've worn it a few times. So I have a lot of things that I just didn't wear because I was afraid that it would get destroyed. So as soon as I finish going through everything, I will have a pop-up or two with different pieces of jewelry. So yeah, hopefully someone is interested in what I have. Like I said, there's a lot of pieces in here. Some of them can be fixed, some of them can't, but you can harvest parts off of them. For instance, the earring that goes with this one, the little black bauble has come off. If you can see where it's just kind of glued on there. Get my big fingers out the way. There you go. It has just come off the other one. And of course, to find the other one may not be a possibility right now. But that is the kind of thing you'll find in this bunch of harvestable jewelry. There is another piece. It doesn't have any stones in it, but it has a nice clip on the back with the pad on it. You may be able to harvest it and put that on a different earring if you know how. So lots of possibilities with this stuff. First one to comment will get it. And we'll go from there. So I hope you all had a great Thanksgiving, and I will talk to you another time when I'm ready to sell some jewelry or possibly show some Christmas decoration. Thanks for watching. Bye.